The items to be adjusted are the transactions which are still unrecorded, or accrued income or expense, or accounts which are under or overstated, prepayment of expenses, or pre-collection of income. These adjusting entries are recorded in the general journal and they are prepared prior to the prior to the preparation of the financial statement so they can be incorporated or included. That's all. Thank you.
Sana record?
Eleodorna.
Ituhan lang ang iyong totally
May ipopost ako sa ano.
adjusting entry will be the final result for your financial statement. Kaya ibig sabihin, kung pwede kayo mag-ino sa worksheet. Malinaw? Preparation pa yung worksheet.
Yes, tayo, Larm.
Are you with me? Yes! Worksheet is optional. Kaya dito gagawin yun kasi wala pa kayong freedom to choose. What you have to do is to do your worksheet. Kaya nga, kumuha na kayo. Sinabi ko sa inyo, kapag ka natapos na kayo dun sa trial balance, adjusting trial balance, financial statement na kagad ang gagawin ninyo kasi pwede na yung adjusting trial balance ninyo. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
And then, ang iba kasi pinahirapan, sino mo, yung nakalagay dyan, pahuli yung, pinakahuli yung financial statement. Number 5 yung worksheet. Pwede yung gawin, kasi optional na yung worksheet, panghuli yung worksheet, panglima ang financial statement. Okay? Kasi pag natapos mo na ang trial balance, adjusted trial balance, pag yung financial statement, kukupyahin mo na lang lahat sa worksheet. Clear?
Yes, Claire. Claire.
Pinahirapan ang buhay. Mangungumpiya ka na lang pagdating doon sa buhay. Kaya wala
Claire.
ka sa trabaho. Kung ako'y nag-aaral, first year accounting student, hirap na hirap kami sa worksheet. Kasi hindi pinaliwanag sa amin.
Sige, yun. Wala akong
Ang galing namin
kapagtakan,
mangungumpiya.
sir.
Diba? Katulad ninyo, diba? Ang dali lang pala. Kukupyahin lang pala yun. Akala mo ang nakita sa mga compute ka pa? Wala na pala. Narinig lang yung financial statement mo. By the way, what are the types of financial statements?
Owner's hindi. Financial. Hindi. Owner's hindi.
Income statement. Statement of cash flow. Napapaloob sa financial statement.
Ano?
Pag naintindihan na rin ito ang naliwala dito sa mga sunod, I can guarantee you pwede na kayong mag-accounting major. So, registered financial consultant. We are a member of International Association of
Sige na launching. Ba't sabi ng cellphone mo?
Tungkol sa cooperative, tinuturo ko dito. Hello? Ang saya kaya magturo, di ba? Lalo na mga nangingay ka tulad dito, di ba?
Hindi po.
Okay? I want you, class, to get inspiration out of what I kanyang saving. Okay, so next day, last day na natin, ibig sabihin yan, ako ay umaasa. Lahat kayo ay nasa mabubuting kalagayan.
Sir, lagyan niyo sir para malakas. Oo, sir, para malakas, sir. Sino, sir?
Naiintindihan niyo ba ako? Okay. So, kaya tayo nag-review ngayon kasi ayaw kong matapos itong sem na ito na pag tinanong kayo, may wala rin naiintindihan.
Pabuli ang camera mo.
Ha?
Oo.
Malinaw na? Malinaw na?
Eh, sir.
Okay, let's proceed.
O, Larmy, go.
Let's proceed. Sino yung nakasign?
Ako. Ang video. Meron naman. Ay, meron naman. Ay, hello. Ano ba sa group?
In the working and verifying all the accounts in the real account, or balance sheet account, and nominal account, or income statement account. Preparation of the worksheet is optional. If in the real financial statements are prepared, the worksheet will be very easy.
Ang nagagawa ng account na binabanggit sa worksheet? Nominal and... Ano yun?
Ay, natutuwa. Gusto mo rin kami ni mo. Ay, gusto niyo. Ay, natutuwa.
Ano yung nominal account?
Barakel!
Ano talaga? Nominal. Income statement. Balance sheet account. Okay? So, huwag niyo kalimutan ha. There are two accounts in the worksheet. Okay? Next.
Huwag mo muna ba?
Financial statement.
Yan, loudspeaker! Double loudspeaker!
Financial statement. These are the accounting reports prepared at the end of the accounting period.
Eh, ano?
Kailan huli accounting period?
End of the...
Wala na every month ha? Every quarter?
End of every count. Ano yung
The
count?
principal statements are the income statement,
Eh,
statement
ano?
of in owners, equity, balance sheet, and statement of cash flow. These are the means of communication between the business and interested parties. The preparation of the financial statement is
Statement? Statement?
Yes.
Kaya diba? Kailangan ng kulang sa iba.
Statement. The preparation of the financial
Hindi
statement
na ba next?
is the summarizing function of the account. Statement.
So, final
Paliwanag.
statement.
Ano, Dex?
will have a less balance.
Naka-dextrose.
There is a net loss. The balance of the income and expense summary account will then be closed
Men,
to the dwelling account of the owner. And finally,
Pag may nawawalang pag may
the
nawawala.
balance of the drawing account will be closed to the capital account of owner.
Naka-dextrose.
If, however, a worksheet is prepared, the income statement column in the worksheet will show whether there is a net income or loss without the benefit of the
Parang naka-dextrose dito.
Furthermore, the adjusted balances of all the nominal accounts are already summarized in the worksheet and will serve as the basis for preparing the closing entries. After the closing entries are posted
Yan
in
lang
the
yun.
general ledger, all the nominal accounts
Nice
will
job.
have
Nice.
zero balances. The total debit is equal to the total debit.
Alright, what I think, this class serves as the